Hello everyone, myself Sri Shilpa. I am working as a Salesforce engineer. I am the student of CRS Info Solutions. Before I joined the CRS Info Solutions, I was working as a teacher for 5 years. Then I realized that it is not the right place where my skill set is matching. So I was searching for a course to enter into the software industry. Then my friend suggested me to do the Salesforce training and she referred me to the CRS Info Solutions. With her support, I entered into the CRS Info Solutions. And during the training, and that too in the initial stages, I felt it is a bit complex as it consists of coding as well as I have 10 years of career gap. But the trainers in the institute were very helpful and they used to give the assignments based on the completed topics. And one mini project also given. I used to complete the assignments as well as mini projects before the deadlines, and this increases my confidence as well. And during the training, I have taken the suggestions from the trainer to do the certifications, and the trainers in the institutes helped me with the materials useful for the completion of the certifications. Now I am the platform developer 1 certified person as well. Also, I referred to two of my friends and they are also performed well in the training also, and they got the job in other companies. So I would like to suggest CRS Info Solution is the best place where you can get the great training with the support of good trainers. And lastly, I would like to tell that CRS Info Solutions can make impossible into possible and turn your dreams into true. Thank you everyone.